This is a review of InVideo for Instagram and Facebook ads. If you don't know what InVideo is, we have a how to use InVideo video on our channel, so click the link in our description to learn more about InVideo.
InVideo is an amazing tool to use when you're creating ads creatives for Instagram and Facebook. Really, you want to be able to make sure that you can be more dynamic because people are more excited by a dynamic creative that kind of goes through different pictures and has music and is more animated. And compared to things like Canva and CapCut, InVideo is much easier to use. It takes us about only 5 minutes to make an ad creative, so that is very nice. There are several templates that you can choose from, and it's very, very convenient because there are a lot of stock images and videos to choose from. And when you click a template for an ad creative, the transitions are preset, so that's pretty convenient. In this case, you can see that there are 3 different slides on the video with the preloaded music, so all of the formatting is already taken care of for you. Lots of different music to choose from, and it's convenient that they can, you can search through your music library and just type different genres. In general, the dashboard is very easy to use. This sidebar on the left with uploads, videos, images. There's something that's different about InVideo is the logo option, and that's convenient because you can put your company logo up there and it'll just persist throughout the rest of the video. The aspect ratio selection is awesome for different use cases as well. You can do landscape, portrait, square for the different social media platforms. And yeah, just all of the templates are very, very convenient for you to create an ad creative in less than 5 minutes.
So with all those pros, it does have a few cons. So it does seem like it is a fairly new website. Sometimes navigating around this software can be a little bit clunky, and what we've noticed is that the export takes quite a while, so you have to really wait a second for this to create an export. The other thing is that when we tried to share it, our project as a team, it took a little while, and it was a bit of trial and error before we got the right link and permission set up, so just keep that in mind. We would mainly use it for ad creatives for IG and Facebook. As you can see here, it's got a ton of different templates to choose from, and you can create really smart, sharp-looking ads. Overall, it's a great tool for creating video ads. The sidebar has a ton of different tools and preset content that you can choose from. It's fairly easy to drag and drop edit as you go through, and these transitions are built in, which is really, really convenient. I think we would recommend it overall, but the free version is not quite worth it, just because it's got a limited number of templates. But the paid version of $15 a month is not bad for all of the tools that you're getting, all of the content that you're getting, and the ability to put it all together to make a great looking ad.
Let us know what other AIs you want us to review, and stay tuned for more about AI.